Transition game, malakas din.
Marami pa pala silang player doon, kaya pagod na eh.
Lalakad na. Lalakad na si Walt.
Tira sa.
Dalawa sila tumatakbo.
Ano yung Edward? Di ba parang yun?
Ano yung shoot?
Short? Hanip si Jason, no? Sa kanya lang lahat halos.
What? Ito lang nag-score, tapos yun. What, Robert?
Nag-loop ng foot eh, bago ka mga... Sayang, inusahan ni Dennis, oh. Masarap niya eh. Pasa yun eh. Alley-oop. Bread and butter move ni Ariel yun. Tagos ang kamay. Ang dami kompleto pala sila eh.
Oo nga.
Kaya pala hindi pagod eh.
Dapat nga pinapressure mo na lang. Pagod agad yan. Kung pinra sila, press nila lagi, pagod ka.
Ang lakas.
Only.
Yeah.
Ano mga punto?
Never give up. Hey Walter! Easy, easy.
You have 6 more minutes.
See, they wore down now. They done stole all the juice out of them. Man.
Yeah, looks like it.
They can't make layups.
Yeah, I know.
Now they
Good
too
time.
small. See, they was doing good when they had a lot of energy, but it's gone. See, they down 10
Yeah,
now.
you can ease too. More energy. You need to go shut.
They gave him a good run.
Yeah.
At least it's decent, right?
I think I'm gonna stick to bowling, Bobby.
Now the problem is that team y'all play, they play like 3-4 times a week.
I know.
This guy plays always in ultimate.
Oh, they do, man. They have good workout. That's why they play the way they are. Miski lima lang sila because, you know, they have chemistry. Nice pass.
Ganun lang eh. Ito magandang laban ko sa next week. Bogbogan to.
May laban sila.
Oo.
Ayaw magkalaban. Ayaw. Hindi yung gold. Tsaka bowlers. Ah, talo pa. Dahil ito matatagal na yun.
Oh, yay!
Too fancy.
Gano?
Damn. All the way, baby. Ah. Kanya rebound niya pa. Kaya nga sila lang mong kalahati. Wag na. he did that in purpose so he can rebound during the
Book on
stats.
timeout, ref! Book on timeout! You guys? Team ultimate ba? Palagay ko sila nga. Lagay na.
Kakalabaw na yung malaki. Kukulang yun.
Wala silang rebounder. Si Dennis lang.
Hindi ko naka-discount siya.
Agad naman. Ice pointer.
Yes, behind you, lumabas na ako noon. Sige. Lumabas na ako.
Ito, mga tira nito, mga freebie na. Ha? Yung huli.
We tried though, we tried our best.
Wala kami stop eh.
Yeah, we tried our best. It was hard, man. Hindi ka makatawa.
nakukuha? No. Oo, panay ko lang ako, nakukuha.
Kalokohan ka pala. Ano ka Pinas?
Ha?
Ano ka uwi?
7.
Month?
Next month?
Kaya masarap ang playoff eh. Iba lang yung playoff.
Sayang nga ito, 5 lang. Kita mo, nakaka-hangout sila, no? Pero mo, ang lilit pa nila.
Wala lang,
Napagod na.
wala lang kami stamina eh. Wala kami stamina pero mas maganda ang rotation namin kanina.
Oh, kayo rin.
Yung defense natin ng first half. Pinaalam mo, napagod mo eh. Second half, pagod na ako eh. Hindi na ako makasaksak. Pagod mo eh. Naiiwan na yung bola sa pa ako, naiiwan na eh. Hindi na kaya.
Oh, nice
Damn,
job.
good defense.
Go out fighting, right?
That's right. From downtown Pittsburgh. Yeah, that's from
Lechon manok!
Jason answers back. Edwin to the drive. Edwin! Oh, never mind. Oh, shit. Foul 19. Minus 1, 2. Good call, ref. Good call.
Nahuli! Shot!
Taas ng pato. Look at that box out. What a box out. What a box out. Good box.
Penalty, penalty. 1-on-1, 1-on-1.
Wala pa, anin pa lang dito.
Hindi, pito na. 7 na. Penalty, penalty. 1-on-1. Third, sino sa Rod? Ngayon lang nag-foul sa Rod, ah. 1-on-1 lang, ah. Ah, hindi naman nakapshoot niya.
Oo nga.
Is,
Oo nga, wala lang. Alam mo yung mga...
Look at that. In a battle. In a battle. Oh, yeah. To the drive. Rotate the bar. Kill the time.
Wala.
Kill the time. Oh, man.
Sinulit. Oh, ganda.
dito lang.
Nakita oh.
Oh, and 1.5.
Sinagasaan. Okay. Wala.
What happened?
Wala, sinagasaan.
Injured pa eh. Baka may injured pa eh. Yeah, look at that rebound. What a man-sized rebound. Fade away. Here we go. Spin move. Boom.